Yes. So what do you mean by network topology? A geometrical representation of how to the computers are arranged, how to the computers are connected to each other. So this structure is known as network topology. This is known as network topology. Understood? What is network topology? Geometrical representation of how the computers are connected to each other. How the computers are connected to each other is known as network topology. Understood? Any problem? Okay. Second points, how many types of network topology? So according to the usage, different types of the network topology. So mainly five types of network topology, but according how many types in your book given? Only three. Okay. But according to usage, five types of network topology. First type's name is bus topology, ring topology. Second type's name ring topology. Third type's name a star topology. Fourth type name is mesh topology, and fifth type's name is hybrid topology. Okay. Yes, I'm already told. According to your book, three types of topology, but generally five types of topology. Okay, understood what I'm saying? You are understood or not? Okay, means generally according to your book, three types of topology, but mainly five types of topologies. Understood? Yes. So first type name is bus topology. What do you mean by bus topology? So now we will discuss about. Okay. So look here, I am discussing about bus topology. This figure is bus topology. This is the bus topology. Okay. This figure is bus topology. So in this figure, one is the main wire. This is the main wire. Okay. This is the main cable wire. Main cable is present in this topology. So one is main cable. Okay. So this cable name is this wire is name is main cable. Understood? Yes. So in bus topology, there is a main cable. There is a main cable, and many others nodes or computers are connected with these main cables. Okay, through a drop lines. Drop lines means this line is known as drop line. Okay. Okay, this line is known as drop line. So their device is called which types of topology? Bus topology. So these types of structure is known as bus topology. In your book given linear topology. Okay, okay. Listen, why we are saying linear topology? Because in linear topology or line topology, okay, here one line is given na, So we are saying linear topology because in linear one line is linear line. Okay, so many systems, many devices are connected to each other with this main cable line, main cable wire. Okay, main cable. Okay, so this topology is known as bus topology. Any problem? Okay, so first types is bus topology. In bus topology it is very good topology, but in this topology some disadvantages are also there. Okay, advantages and disadvantages are also there because first advantage is in this topology only one main cables are there, and with the main cable wires many systems are connected to each other. So it is very easy to be arranged. It is very easy to be arrange these types of topology. Understood? Yes. But what is the disadvantages? All systems are connected with this wire. Suppose signal is going from left to right. Signal is going from left to right. If here break the wire, then all systems are working, not na. Yes, means simply one positions are disconnected, then all system will not work. Understood? So if the share communication line fail, entire network also will fail. Understood? Any problem? All of you understood? Yeah. Okay, I am again explained. So look here. In this topology, if the shear communication line fails, shear communication line means this main cable wire anywhere will fail, then entire network also will fail. Understood? अगर यहाँ पर नेटवर्क क्या हो जाता है, डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है, तो इसके आगे क्या सिग्नल जाएगा? नहीं ना. If signal has not passed, then another system also will fail, not working. Okay, any problem? All of you understood? Yes. Here I am not discussing about hacking. Okay, hacking is different things. Here is I am discussing about topology. Okay, so hacking, if we will discuss about hacking, so that chapter is different. Okay, understood? Okay, yes. Next topic's name is ring topology. What do you mean by ring topology? Listen, suppose in a ring topology these types of shapes are there. Okay, a ring cable is present. In a ring cable a lot of systems are connected to other systems. Okay, any problem? So in a ring topology many systems are connected in a ring. So in yes, so one system, suppose these systems connected how many computer? This system connected with how many systems? Two systems. One system is here and another is here. Understood? Yes. means each and every system connected with two systems, two devices. So in this technology, in this structure, in ring topology, each systems connected with two other systems, two other devices. So this structure is called ring topology. Understood? Yes. Okay. Next points. So it is a very easy to be arranged. In ring topology, we will arrange very easily to communicate. We will easily to share information one system to another system. Understood? Yes. Okay. So if a link between two nodes will fail, or one of the nodes fail, alternate routing is possible. Means alternate routing will work. Suppose here is break, here line break, then this system also work inside. Okay, this way. Okay, okay. So this is called ring topology. Any problem? Yes, a lot of disadvantages. A lot of means generally two disadvantages are here. In a ring topology, communication delay is directly proportional to the number of nodes in a network. Additions of new node in a network increase communication delay. Means suppose in a ring topology, a lot of system, a lot of devices we are adding now, then it will slow. It work will slow. Okay. And second disadvantage, it required more complicated. When a lot of systems, a lot of device we will arrange in this technology, then it is very complicated. Okay. So control software then a start topology means in this system we will arrange a lot of system in this technology, then it will work slow. It control very difficult. Okay. So this is the disadvantages. Understood? Any problem? Yes. Next is a star topology. What do you mean by star topology? Listen carefully. A star topology. And now I am discuss about a star topology. What is a star topology? Listen carefully. One figure is here given a star topology. Example of this is the star topology. Yes. So here is a host node. Hub is here. So in a star topology, it is a multiple nodes. Multiple nodes are connected with a single hub or host nodes. Okay, many systems are connected, many devices are connected, many nodes are connected with a single hubs or host nodes. Okay. So the nodes in the network are linked to each other. Nodes are the networks are linked to each other. One, it is the host node. It is the main node. Okay. So it connected with the other nodes. Okay. Yes. So this is the main nodes. All are connected to each other via cable wire. So it is also known as centrally control, or mainly we will say host node. What we will say? Host host node. Okay. Yes. A lot of advantages are there. A star topology has minimum lines cost because only few computers and few nodes are connected to each other. Okay. ओके, एक ही सिस्टम से कनेक्टेड है। इफ एनी नोड्स, if any node other than the host node fail, remaining nodes are unaffected. Suppose in this technology, in these structures, suppose system number 2 is not working, okay, then other nodes are affected. How it is affected? Because it is working with main nodes na. Suppose system number 2 is not working, then what problem for system number 1, 3, 4 or 5? All system will work. Only system 2 is not working. Okay? Understood na? Okay. But mainly one disadvantages are here. If main system will not work, then all system will not work. Understood? Any problem? Yes. Oh, already advantages discussed. Again, I will repeat. Okay, okay. Again, I will repeat. Suppose this is your host node. Okay, host node. In host node, a lot of nodes are connected with the host node. A lot of nodes. All nodes are connected to each others. Okay. Any problem? So all nodes names is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, any problem? All are connected with host nodes. Yes. So mainly advantages. If you want to add some more nodes, we will add very easily, na? Yes, 6 nodes we will add very easily. Means adding a new nodes in this topology we will arrange very easily, we will add. Okay, any problem here? Okay, suppose if we will add new nodes, if we will add new node, then any affected here? No. Okay, suppose we will remove any nodes from this network, then any problem? No. So all these are the advantages. Understood? Any problem here? Okay. What is the disadvantages of this topology? So disadvantage, only one here disadvantage. If a host node is not working, this node will not work, then all system are working. No, all system also will dead. Not any system will work. Understood? Yes. What problem? I am telling about if a host node is not working, host node means main node. If host node is not working, then how to we work another nodes? This is the main nodes ना, इसी से ना सब connected है. Okay, all of you understood? Any problem? Yes, write some question. Yes, write down some question. Yes, good. Right. What is topology? What is topology? Second question, how many types of topology? How many types of topology? Written. What is bus topology? What is bus topology? Next question. Write the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. Write the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. Next question. What is ring topology? What is ring topology? Write the advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. Written. Written. Yes. Next. What is a star topology? What is a star topology? Write the advantages and disadvantages of a star topology. All of you written? Any problem? Mahavir, any problem? Okay, Muskan already left. Pavan, Pavan, that means he is not writing question. Soumya, okay, good. Nirmal, good. Pavan Kumar, Harshit, very good. Indika, Yukti Rani, Kumar Raj, very good. Palak Rani, Palak Sinha, Lucky Kumari, okay, very good. Any problem in this topic? Okay, next day everyone write it, okay? Everyone write in fair copy. Okay, yes, in fair copy, in fair copy. Okay, you have fair copy now. Okay, write down in fair copy. Understood? If you haven't fair copy, then you will write in a spiral copy. Sorry, write in another copy. No problem. Okay. Yes. क्या? Okay, lucky and okay, good. Yes. Okay, I will send some advantages and disadvantages in group. Okay. Okay. Thank you.